Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we are doing Foodtech quiz number 58, topic HACCP and FSMS. It consists of 35 MCQs. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. A quality system of management controls for research laboratories is known as options A. GLP, B. GHP, C. GAP, D. GMP. Correct answer A. GLP. Question number 2. Production and farm level approaches to ensure the safety of fresh produce for human consumption is known as options A. GLP, B. GHP, C. GAP, D. GCP. Correct answer C. GAP. Question number 3. ISO 22000 standard was first published in the year options A. 2001, B. 2005, C. 2006, D. 2012. Correct answer B. 2005. Question number 4. Ishikawa developed options A. Cause and effect diagram, B. Histogram, C. Brainstorming, D. Flowchart. Correct answer A. Cause and effect diagram. Question number 5. Quality Circle in India took birth in the year options A. 1946, B. 1982, C. 1995, D. 2001. Correct answer B. 1982. Question number 6. The graphical representation of tabulated frequencies is known as options A. Cause and effect diagram, B. Histogram, C. Brainstorming, D. Flowchart. Correct answer B. Histogram. Question number 7. ISO began operation in the year options A. 1937, B. 1947, C. 1983, D. 1995. Correct answer B. 1947. Question number 8. The fifth principle of quality management is options A. Leadership, B. Involvement of people, C. System approach, D. Factual approach. Correct answer C. System approach. Question number 9. The third principle of quality management is options A. Leadership, B. Involvement of people, C. System approach, D. Factual approach. Correct answer B. Involvement of people. Question number 10. The first step in implementation of HACCP plan is options A. Select the HACCP team, B. Give guide to the HACCP team, C. Assemble an HACCP team, D. Explain flowchart to HACCP team. Correct answer C. Assemble an HACCP team. Question number 11. Six Sigma methodology was first shared by Motorola with the world in the year options A. 1946, B. 1988, C. 1987, D. 1995. Correct answer B. 1988. Question number 12. American Society for Quality Control was formed in the year options A. 1926, B. 1946, C. 1966, D. 1986. Correct answer B. 1946. Question number 13. CAC recommended the general principles of food hygiene in the year options A. 1946, B. 1969, C. 1972, D. 1983. Correct answer B. 1969. Question number 14. Where was total quality management first developed? Options A. America, B. Korea, C. Japan, D. England. Correct answer C. Japan. Question number 15. In food industries, 5S systems became 7S and new principles included are options A. Clearing up and cleaning, B. Organizing and standardizing, C. Training and discipline, D. Scrub and sanitation. Correct answer D. Scrub and sanitation. Question number 16. Which of the following is not a principle of GAP? Options A. Clean soil, B. Clean water, C. Clean environment, D. Clean surface. Correct answer C. Clean environment. Question number 17. The QC tool, which is a graph used to study how a process changes over time. Options A. Control chart, B. Flow chart, C. Ishikawa chart, D. Check sheet. Correct answer A. Control chart. Question number 18. The statistical technique applied in quality assurance is called. Options A. SAC, B. SPC, C. Pareto diagram, D. Cause and effect diagram. Correct answer B. SPC. Question number 19. Who coined the phrase quality is free? Options A. Edward Deming, B. Philip Crosby, C. Joseph M. Juran, D. Armand V. Feigenbaum. Correct answer B. Philip Crosby. Question number 20. Who introduced concept of total quality control? Options A. Edward Deming, B. Philip Crosby, C. Joseph M. Juran, D. Armand V. Feigenbaum. Correct answer D. Armand V. Feigenbaum. Question number 21. 14 points to guide companies for quality improvement. Options A. Edward Deming, B. Philip Crosby, C. Joseph M. Juran, D. Armand V. Feigenbaum. Correct answer A. Edward Deming. Question number 22. The QC tool, which identifies many possible causes for an effect or problem and sorts ideas into useful categories. Options A. Cause and effect diagram, B. Ishikawa chart, C. Fishbone chart, D. All of the options. Correct answer D. All of the options. Question number 23. The first principle of GHP called primary production includes. Options A. Environmental hygiene, B. Hygienic production of food sources, C. Handling, storage and transport, D. All of the options. Correct answer D. All of the options. Question number 24. Guidelines for application of food safety management system are presented in. Options A. ISO 9001, B. ISO 22000, C. ISO 22004, D. ISO 14000. Correct answer C. ISO 22004. Question number 25. There are dash quality control tools commonly used in industries. Options A. 5, B. 7, C. 9, D. 13. Correct answer B. 7. Question number 26. HACCP is based off dash principles. Options A. 7, B. 9, C. 11, D. 13. Correct answer A. 7. Question number 27. Established procedure for verification comes under dash principle of HACCP. Options A. 2, B. 4, C. 6, D. 7. Correct answer C. 6. Question number 28. Established critical limits is dash principle of HACCP. Options A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Correct answer C. 3. Question number 29. Determine the critical control points is dash principle of HACCP. Options A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Correct answer B. 2. Question number 30. What are the main characteristics of an effective control system? Options A. Flexibility, accuracy, timeliness and objectivity, B. Flexibility, measurability, timeliness and objectivity, C. Flexibility, accuracy, relevance and objectivity, D. Flexibility, accuracy, timeliness and relevance. Correct answer A. Flexibility, accuracy, timeliness and objectivity. Question number 31. Which of the following is also called third-party audit? Options A. External audit, B. Supplier audit, C. Surveillance audit, D. Independent audit. Correct answer D. Independent audit. Question number 32. Which of the following is also called first-party audit? Options A. Internal audit, B. Supplier audit, C. Surveillance audit, D. Independent audit. Correct answer A. Internal audit. Question number 33. 80:20 rule can also be called as. Options A. Fishbone diagram, B. Pareto analysis, C. Scatter diagram. D. Histogram. Correct answer B. Pareto analysis. Question number 34. GHP in food industry stands for options A. Good housekeeping practices. B. Good homekeeping practices. C. Good healthy practices. D. Good hygienic practices. Correct answer D. Good hygienic practices. Question number 35. Practices which manufacturers, processors and packagers should take as proactive steps to ensure that their products are safe, pure and effective is known as options A. GLP, B. GHP, C. GAP, D. GMP. Correct answer D. GMP. If you have missed out the previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.